Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you got about 10 minutes and a little bit of water, you can have a super hearty vegan meal on the table in no time. These meatless hearty meals from Deeply Rooted are a super convenient way to get a meal on the table that is plant-based and has a lot of protein. So in this 2-serving box, each of the servings has 16 grams of protein, which is awesome. And let me tell you, preparing this is an absolute breeze. So all you need to do is boil 1 2/3 cup of water along with the contents of the box and cook it for about 5 minutes. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes after that. And that is it. You are good to go. Then you have the base for so many things. You can make a little taco bowl. You could wrap this up in a burrito. You can add all of your favorite toppings. It really is an awesome canvas to get creative and add whatever you like to it. This little box only weighs 4 ounces. So this would be perfect to take with you backpacking or camping because all you need to do is add water. So it's a really versatile option and super, super convenient. The meal itself has a really nice texture to it. The protein is made from pea protein. The flavor is really delicious. It is very mildly spiced. So if you are sensitive to spicy foods, I don't think this would be too much for you. And it just has a nice savory flavor from the onion, garlic, chili pepper, and cilantro seasonings that are in it. And it is a really satisfying bite. So if you're looking for a convenient plant-based meal with lots of protein that tastes delicious and is on the table in no time, definitely check out Deeply Rooted Meatless Hearty Meals. I think you'll really enjoy it, and that is my point of view.